everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Brunei International Airport. Time now is 10 in the evening. There is no time difference between Manila and Bicaulan. Ground temperature is 29 degrees centigrade. Maligayang pagdating kalalapagpulamang natin sa paliparang pandaigdig ng Brunei. Oras po natin ngayon ay 10 ng gabi. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until Captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins as heavy items may have moved during the flight. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hintayin matanggal ang ilaw sa fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kunin ang mga kagamitan. Naising namin paalam sa inyo ng paggamit ng palikuran sa mga sandaling ito ay higpit na pinagpapawal. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team headed by our flight deck crew, Captain Mark Lester Viola, and First Officer James Carlo De Leosa, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of important moments. It was truly a pleasure to have you all on board, and I do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific. Sa kanila bumuo na lipat na ito na pinungunahan ni Kapitan Riola at unang Official De Leosa kasama ni mga lingkod ng mga cabin crew, kami po'y lubos na nagpapasalamat sa pagpili at pagsakay ninyo sa Cebu Pacific.
Cabin crew, disarm doors for arrival caution.
Please remain seated. This is only for cabin crew. Thank you. For guests with infant, the infant's life vest shall be collected after disembarkation. Kindly leave the infant's life vest inside the seat pocket. Once again, for your safety, please wait for the fasten seatbelt signs to be switched off before you stand and get your bags. Hintayin lang po natin mawalang ilaw sa seatbelt sign bago po tayo tumayo para kunin ang mga gagamitan.